Today's story is one of those moments where British politics feels less like a functioning democracy and more like a sitcom that's gone on 3 seasons too long. Because this week, Reform UK, a party that just loves to present itself as the antidote to chaos, the bringers of order, the ones who will fix the country, has found itself in a High Court hearing over a missing imprint on a leaflet. Yep, not a scandal, not a policy, not a major revelation, a missing line of text, a font change, a paper trimming mishap, if you will. Yes, a by election campaign is now entangled in a 3 hour legal hearing because a printer changed a font and accidentally chopped off the legally required imprint from a batch of leaflets. So here's what's happened. Matt Goodwin, Reform UK's candidate in Gorton and Denton by-election, is now facing the possibility of sanctions under the Representation of the People Act 1983. Now, this isn't some slap on the wrist situation. The law is very clear. If your election material doesn't include the proper imprint, the little bit at the bottom that tells voters who printed it and promoted the material, you yourself can face fines, criminal prosecution, and even a 3-year ban from holding office. It's one of the most basic rules in election law. It's not obscure, it's not optional, it's something that you can't just shrug off. It's there to ensure transparency and accountability. Two things you'd hope any party seeking public office would take seriously. But according to the court, in the files that were sent in by Reform, the imprint was included in the original design. Somewhere between the files being sent and the leaflets being printed, an, in quotes, internal error at the printing company caused the imprint to be chopped off. Now, the printer has admitted responsibility, and Reform UK says it was an honest mistake. And yet here we are, a 3 hour High Court hearing. Judge, barristers, and even the possibility of fines or even complete disqualification. Now, for a party that spends a lot of the time talking about how everyone else is incompetent, the country is falling apart because of the establishment, and how they alone represent common sense, this is not a great look.